This is a County E property. This is a mobile home, kind of a single wide. It does have new siding, roof, some nice updates, windows, flooring in the inside, and it's out on County E. So there's the sharp corner, County E, just past where the paper mill is. Neighbor across the street there. So coming in the front door, there's a really nice little entryway here with tile floor, and then it goes into dining room. Here's those newer windows that were put in. Good sized kitchen. Appliances do come with gas stove, refrigerator. There's a little pantry on the other side there. And this is bedroom number 1. It's got lots of windows, 3 windows here. Coming off the kitchen, the living room, there's this brick accent wall, and there must have been a chimney with a fireplace there at one time, I'm guessing. But lots of windows in the living room. All the paneling has been painted. You go down the hall, there is some plumbing. They must have moved some of the plumbing inside with the PEX to keep things from freezing, which is actually kind of nice, but it is exposed. There is a furnace there. That is an upgrade instead of just a wall furnace. This is bedroom number 2. Small little bedroom, but has a little closet space. And this is the back door. And then there is one bath. So bathroom has the laundry, and there is tub, shower, and then at the end of the other end is a larger bedroom, has 3 windows also. So on the side of the house, they have put in a newer underground pedestal. So if you see this, that is no longer in use and it can just go away. Wooded lot back here, that is a mound system in the back. So that had been upgraded, and there's some power out here. Little fire pit area and a 2-car garage. This is just a look back at the back door.